Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Grishma, I am pursuing my BE in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today's course title Biology for Computer Engineers, course code BBCO407, topic Biomolecules. Biomolecules and their applications. Biomolecule, also called biological molecule, any of numerous substances that are produced by cells and living organisms. They have a wide range of sizes and structures and perform a vast array of functions. The four major types of biomolecules are carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acid, and protein. Among biomolecules, nucleic acid, namely DNA and RNA, have the unique function of storing an organism's genetic code, the sequence of nucleotides, and that determines the amino acid sequence of proteins, which are of critical importance to life on Earth. What are carbohydrates? The term carbohydrate or hydrates of carbon is derived from its basic elemental formula, in which carbon is joined to hydrogen and oxygen present in the same ratio as in water. Chemically, carbohydrates are polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones. Examples: dairy products, yogurt, milk, ice cream; fruits, fruit juice or whole fruit; grains, cereal, bread, wheat, rice; legumes, plant-based proteins, beans; starchy vegetables, corn, potatoes. Carbohydrates are derived into two types: simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. The simple is derived into two types, that is monosaccharides and disaccharides. In monosaccharides, glucose, fructose, galactose we can see. In disaccharides we have maltose, lactose and sucrose. In polysaccharides we have starches, fibers and glycogen. Properties of carbohydrates. Structure: consist of chains or rings of sugar molecules. Type: divided into three main groups, that is monosaccharides, disaccharides and polysaccharides. Solubility: most carbohydrates are soluble in water due to their hydrophilic in nature, except for some larger polysaccharides. Functions of carbohydrates. Function: energy source. Carbohydrates serve as the primary source of energy for the body, providing fuel for various physiological processes. Glucose derived from carbohydrates is particularly vital for brain function and muscle activity. Structural support. In organisms, carbohydrates play a crucial role in providing structural support. Cellulose, a complex carbohydrate found in plant cell walls, offers rigidity and strength. Cellular communication. They help cells identify and interact with each other, facilitating various physiological processes such as immune response and tissue development. Flavor and texture. They contribute to the taste, texture and appearance of foods and also enhance the flavor of foods by providing sweetness. What are nucleic acids? Nucleic acids are long-chain polymeric molecules. The monomer, the repeating unit, is known as the nucleotides, and hence sometimes nucleic acids are referred to as polynucleotides. Deoxyribonucleic acid DNA and ribonucleic acid RNA are two major types of nucleic acid. DNA and RNA are responsible for the inheritance and transmission of specific characteristics from one generation to the other. There are prominent two types of nucleic acids known to us. Types of nucleic acid: DNA and RNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA. Chemically, DNA is composed of pentose sugar, phosphoric acid and some cyclic bases containing nitrogen. The sugar moiety present in DNA molecules is beta-D2-deoxyribose. The cyclic bases that have nitrogen in them are adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. These bases have their arrangement in the molecules of DNA play an important role in the storage of information from one generation to the next one. DNA has a double-strand helical structure in which the strands are complementary to each other. Ribonucleic acid. The RNA molecule is also composed of phosphoric acid, a pentose sugar and some cyclic bases containing nitrogen. RNA has beta-D-ribose in it as the sugar moiety. The heterocyclic bases present in RNA are adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. In RNA, the fourth base is different from that of DNA. The RNA generally consists of single strand which sometimes folds back, that result in the double helix structure. There are three types of RNA molecules, each having a specific function: messenger RNA, that is mRNA, ribosomal RNA, rRNA, transfer RNA, tRNA. And this is the structure of RNA and DNA. The functions of nucleic acid. They are responsible for the synthesis of protein in our body. DNA fingerprinting is a method used by forensic experts to determine paternity. It is also used for the identification of criminals. It has also played a major role in studies regarding biological evolution and genetics. Nucleic acids are responsible for the transmission of inherent character from parents to offspring. What is protein? Proteins are very large molecules composed of basic units called amino acids. Proteins contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. Protein molecules are large complex molecules formed by one or more twisted and folded strands of amino acids. Proteins are highly complex molecules that are actively involved in the most basic and important aspects of life. These include metabolism, movement, defense, cellular communication, and molecular recognition. Functions of protein. Positive negative attractions between different atoms in the long amino acid strand cause it to coil and itself again and again to form its highly complex shape. Folded proteins may combine with other folded proteins to form even large, more complicated shape. Classification of proteins. Protein molecules are large complex molecules formed by one or more twisted and folded strands of amino acid. Each amino acid is connected to the next amino acid by covalent bond. The proteins are classified into 4 types. That is primary, that is first level. Protein structure is a sequence of amino acid in a chain. Second one is secondary, that is secondary level. Protein structure is formed by folding and twisting of amino acid chain. Tertiary, that is third level. Protein structure is formed when twist and folds of the secondary structure fold again to form a larger 3-dimensional structure. Quaternary, that is fourth level. Protein structure is a protein consists of more than one folded amino acid chain. Lipids are organic compounds that contain hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen atoms which form the framework for the structure and function of living cell. These organic compounds are non-polar molecules which are soluble only in non-polar solvents and insoluble in water because water is a polar molecule. In the human body, these molecules can be synthesized in the liver and are found in oil, butter, whole milk, cheese, fried foods, and also in properties of lipids. Lipids are heterogeneous group of compounds mainly composed of hydrocarbon chain. Lipids are energy-rich organic molecules which provide energy for different life process. Lipids are a class of compound characterized by their solubility in non-polar solvents and insolubility in water. Lipids are oily or greasy non-polar molecules stored in adipose tissue. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe.